National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Greene County, southwestern Fayette County, Ohio, northeastern Clinton County until 7:30 p.m. At 6:50 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Bowersville, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Storm hazards include quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include Sabina. In addition, Reesville and Jasper Mills are near the path of the severe thunderstorm. This includes the following interstate: Interstate 71 between mile markers 54 and 63. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. The